If you're struggling to come up with video ideas, here's how to use ChatGPT to generate them fast in under 3 minutes. I'll show you how to get better video ideas, refine them, and turn them into usable content. The first thing you want to do is tell ChatGPT what your niche is. Let's say you're making content for beginner creators. We'll drop in a prompt that says, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for beginner creators. We drop it in, upload it. Now you have your topics. You can ask ChatGPT to narrow it down. Let's drop in, give me searchable beginner topics. Now you can compare the searchable topics to the video suggestions, see how they line up and really focus in on a few to get started on. Then you can refine the best ideas. Now that you've compared the listings together, you know which topics you want to focus in on. So let's say you want to look deeper into how to start a YouTube channel step by step. Well, if you drop that in, you can put for the topic, how to start a YouTube channel step by step, give me 5 related subtopics. We upload that. We get our subtopics back. So you can see that it's best to not ask random questions. You want to focus in on what you're really looking for. Ask for searchable, beginner-friendly topics. Now the last step is to take the ideas that you settle on and validate those ideas. You can drop them into the YouTube search, and if people are searching for those, you'll see that right away and you'll know that you're on the right track. That's it. You now have a fast system for generating and refining video ideas. If you want more quick how-to videos like this that answer your questions without wasting your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.